What's up, everybody? It's Michael from Massage Customs. Today, I'm going to show you a couple of tips on how to take care of your own pain at home using lacrosse balls. I'm going to show you two different ways. I'm going to show you how to use it on the wall for your lower back, and then I'm going to show you how to use it on the floor. The reason I'm going to show you on the wall is because this is probably the most common way you're going to use it, like if you're at work and you need some relief from your pain. So step one is you're just going to find a wall that doesn't have anything on it. You're going to lean on it, keep your feet out in front of you a little bit so you can apply some pressure and you can control the pressure a little bit. Then you're just going to put the ball behind your lower back, and then you're going to lean into it. And you want to make sure that you're relaxing and you're not just tensing up everything back there, because you're not going to be able to get in there as good as you can. That's why you want to rest on the wall, and then you want to you can slide down the wall like that. Again, just searching for those tight, tender spots. If you feel any shooting pain or any radiating pain, that's a good indicator that that's a problem area for you. And again, you're not going to be just rolling like that. That's going to be more painful than it is beneficial. You're just going to stop and you're going to hold and you're going to breathe and you're going to try to relax into the ball as much as possible. This isn't the most ideal position, but it's great for managing that at the office. All right, so from this position, you can easily find those knots in your lower back. You can just take the ball and slide it up if you want. That way you're not sliding all over the floor. And then you'll just turn your legs, turn your knees outward to change the pressure, to change the direction that the ball is hitting. That's a really good area right there. And just by just having that movement, without moving the ball at all, you're going to be able to hit different areas that you might not have known were tender. And then again, you just slide that ball up, and you can get not just your lower back, but you can even easily just move up into the upper back. Again, just moving your knees back and forth. And again, once you find that spot, you want to take some deep breaths, and you want to try to relax everything around that muscle as much as possible. You're going to breathe and relax.